Hello everyone, my name is Prem. Welcome to my YouTube channel Speak English by Prem. I have created this channel for my English improving and speaking practice because I want to practice every day. I will upload a video this channel for English learning. Spoken English sentences, daily user sentences, or meanings of words. I want to help others who want to speak English, who want to improve their English, who want to speak fluently. That's why I am created this channel. I am a student. This is my first video. If you are new, please like my video and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. I am making a mistake. So many people, so many students making a mistake in the beginning. For example, when you are making a mistake, for example, when you are making a sentence, every sentence, when you making a mistake, after that you can correct your sentence. When you know this sentence is my incorrect, then after that you correct that mistake. Getting my point? Please don't forget that mistake. When you know this sentence is incorrect, when you correct this mistake. Getting my point? I trust on myself. One day I will be fluent speaker and I will speak fluent. I have done my qualification in Marathi language and my mother tongue is Marathi. But I still want to study further. I love my mother tongue, but favorite subject is English. I want to improve my English because English is a global language. In these days, English is very necessary. So that's why I want to speak in English. Whenever you go for job interview, so there you have to speak in English and you have to give interview in English language. So getting my point? That's why English is very important. So I think we all have to learn this language. We all have to speak fluently this language. So my main aim is I want to speak in English fluently. I think this is enough for today. I would like stop here. So we will meet again next video. Please like my video, like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon, hit the bell icon button, and thanks for watching.